Morning everyone, this is my first time I'm going to show my face on YouTube, and this is I think my third or fourth video. I'm just starting my new channel by doing what I can on my cuisine experience in Britain and in back home in Morocco. So today we're going to make some fish fingers, which is salmon fish fingers or salmon goujons in posh word. Today in my kitchen we got the salmon on the chopping board ready to take the skin off, and I'll show you how to do that in a minute. You're gonna need some flour, eggs and breadcrumbs. Today I'm using golden breadcrumbs, which is you can buy from any store. It's perfect for what I'm doing today, but normally I make my own breadcrumbs by, if I got any leftover bread and I got two ovens, I'm cooking in the bottom oven and I put the breadcrumbs on the top oven to let it dry for a couple of days. When it's dry and you can literally snap the bread, you can put it in the blender and blend it together and you'll have perfect breadcrumbs. Okay, so we gotta start by taking the skin off the salmon, which is, you come round where the stomach is, which is here, over there, and you put your knife like so. You push the knife and hold the back and just pull the skin and push the knife away from you, and perfect. Okay, so we gotta carry on doing the rest and we'll be back in a minute. Here we go, we're back again. The salmon is ready. So what I do normally is chop it in half, because by the time you add your flour and egg and breadcrumbs, it turns to big pieces. So normally I have them this thin, but it's up to you. This thin and that long, and that's one of them. And I do all of the salmon the same. Okay, and we'll be back in a minute. Here we go, they're all ready now. So what I do normally, I add some coriander like so, and then I crush in garlic with it. One clove of garlic goes in there into my crusher straight away and out, and boom boom, we're ready for action today. Scrape the rest. Some paprika. I love my paprika and spices. I cannot live without my spices. And also, as we speaking, some pepper like so, some salt, depend about what you wanna, how much salt and pepper you wanna put in. And then here's my magic spoon and mix it all in. I normally let it rest for 5 or 10 minutes just to get my garlic in and everything else in, but it doesn't matter. But normally you can make these goujons, these fingers, with anything, either fish or chicken breast, any type of fish, salmon, cod, any type. You can buy the whole squid and chop it up and do exactly the same thing. Chicken breast, like I said, any type you want, it doesn't matter. Even vegetarians, you can do veggie goujons. So next step I do is mix my eggs. Ready, and here we go. So I start salmon in the flour like so, tap it up gently into the egg, out it comes, and I slide in my breadcrumbs like so, and it's ready. So that one can go and rest. And we'll do the next one exactly the same. Tap tap gently. In it goes in the eggs, and out it comes out of the eggs into my breadcrumbs like so. And then second one. So we'll carry on with the rest and we'll be back soon. Here we go. While we're waiting for my goujons to settle, I'm gonna do sweet potato fries. Okay, so I like to keep the skin personally, but it's up to you. You can peel the skin, it's up to you. The skin is very good for you. What I do is wash it off. First, give it a good clean, and then dry it as much as you can with a tea towel, and boom boom on a chopping board. But let me give you a tip on a chopping board. Get a cloth like this, wet it with water, put it underneath the chopping board so it doesn't slip. So cut it in half if you like, get rid of the corners, right, and then to the size you want. Okay, like that if you like. And there we are. In my bowl it goes. I'll carry on with the rest. Straight in, no fuss, like so. And my best thing is the hygiene. I like to keep myself and my kitchen very clean, and I wipe everything now and again. Okay, like that, all of your sweet potato, and we'll be back. So when the fry is on and the temperature reach the temperature you like, I'm gonna start putting my yeah, in there you go. Close it and we'll be back when it's all fried up. There we are. It's time now to cook our salmon goujons. They are set nicely and rested well. Okay, so to put one in hot oil, you gotta go very close and drop it gently, otherwise the oil will splash you and then you'll be in pain. Or you can use a basket. I prefer not to use the basket because I can fit more in, like so, and we'll catch you when it's cooked. It's time to serve now. So I done one chips there, French sweet potato fries. My daughter, she doesn't like Cajun spices, but my son loves, and I do as well. So Cajun spices with your French fry, with the sweet potato fries. Sorry, very good. Give it a shake, and it goes into there. Trying to well present it, and our goujons are ready. They're very nice and crispy, so I just serve them the way you like. It's up to you. Some people like to just throw food on a plate. I like to go further. Okay, and I also, sorry, I used garlic mayonnaise, homemade garlic mayonnaise. My next video I'm gonna make, it will be homemade garlic mayonnaise. I normally use wild garlic, but this time of year is no wild garlic. I just use normal garlic with spinach and mayonnaise. I'll do another video about that, and bon appetit. Enjoy. This is what it should look like. Okay. Enjoy, guys.